what the DNS Server Not Responding error is, and how to fix it. The DNS Server Not Responding error is a common issue that indicates your network is having trouble connecting to the domain name system. The DNS is the internet's equivalent of a phone book, which means server errors can make it difficult to connect online. For today's video, we'll guide you through 4 methods for resolving DNS errors. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to resolve DNS server errors. DNS server errors may be resolved through basic troubleshooting. Make sure that all physical networks are secure and Ethernet cables are plugged into their respective ports. For wireless connections, double-check that the device is within range of the network router. You should also check the router itself and ensure that it is operating as normal. By changing DNS server settings, you prompt your device to find other servers that are more stable. On Windows, this is done through the Network and Sharing Center, which is in the Control panel. On macOS devices, the DNS tab is found under System Preferences, then Network. On Linux devices, you will need to use Terminal. This method requires locating and editing the .conf file, so check our blog post for the full guide. Flushing the DNS cache refers to clearing any records stored in a DNS. You can flush the DNS cache on Windows devices through Command Prompt using this command. For macOS systems, open Terminal and type this command. And for older operating systems, use this command. You will also use Terminal to flush the DNS cache on Linux. The command you use will depend on the type of Linux system you are running, so check our blog post to learn more. Drivers are integrated into macOS and Linux systems. A simple system update will remove outdated network drivers. On Windows, however, you will need to open Device Manager and navigate to Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter to search for updates. Lastly, you may need to temporarily disable your firewall. On Windows, this is done by opening System and Security from the Control panel. Similarly, on macOS, you will need to open System Preferences, then locate Security and Privacy. On Linux, depending on your distro, you will open Terminal and enter either this command or this command. That wraps up our guide on resolving the DNS Server Not Responding error. The next time you're faced with this error, you now have several methods at your disposal to fix it. For more information, check out our official blog post on resolving DNS errors linked in the description below.